.30, 7 o'clock in the morning, and gonna go out and explore and walk around, get some exercise, and see what's going on at this hour. And it's actually a Sunday morning, so probably gonna be a little bit lighter on the traffic. It looks like they have some type of they kind of close off the roads. I don't know if it's an event or anything, but maybe they do it on Sundays or something. Not really sure. So it looks like they do close off the road, because I was here walking on part of this yesterday, and there was a lot of traffic. So it's kind of cool to be out here and actually able to walk it. Still kind of so head down this way. See all the folks out, even more on this road. They probably just do this every Sunday. That's what I'm thinking. I must be on the bike lane, so maybe I'll cross over. See, now I'm facing the other way. Look at all the people. Unbelievable. Got the big yellow crew coming right behind me. What do you think about my little early morning walk here? And leave it down in the comments. I really appreciate it. Really, I do. This is having these roads crossed off and able to actually walk them is really something. Kind of get a 360. So I got a gang of yellow shirts on bikes behind me. It's so good to just get out and walk. I mean, people sometimes ask me, how much walking do you do? And you know, I got a Fitbit, and usually I put in 20,000 plus steps a day, and that equates to mile-wise probably anywhere from 10 to 11 miles a day. So I really do get out, and I love walking. Good for the health. So what I'm going to do is make a U-turn and go back the other way. So now heading the opposite way, and head back and see what's going on this side. Right back where I started from, there is the statue.
Hello, man.
Take one from the other way. Kind of do like a little bit of a 360. Look at it. People just look so happy. It's so really great to see all these folks. Them all come in. Wow, that's neat. And it looks like they have this one closed off as well. I like this because look at the trees. Kind of got that tree cover all the way over. To the left, and kind of like go through there and check it out. That'll be a lot of fun on my little early morning walk here. And tell me what you think about this walk this morning. I'd really appreciate it in the comments. I really do. My little early morning walk really turned out to be a really awesome early morning walk with all this activity. Have a lot of kind of little stands for sports drinks and fit bars and
6, 7, last 3, 2, okay, last one.
I actually passed through here yesterday, so what I thought I'd do is kind of finish up my video of my early morning walk. Just love this falls. So this is the end of this video, my little early morning walk, and it's really been a good one today too. Having walked on a nice Sunday morning with all those walkers out, they closed the roads down, and that was just absolutely awesome. So if this content helps you out, please consider giving it a like. It really does help out my channel. And I hope to see you in my next video, which will be here in the beautiful country of the Philippines. So see ya.